Imagine a world where the tiniest building blocks of reality are no longer hidden from view. What if you could zoom in so far, past the limits of what our eyes can see, past even the most powerful traditional microscopes, and witness the very dance of light itself as it weaves between atoms? Picture photons, those tiny packets of light, bouncing, scattering, and swirling around the nuclei of atoms, creating a mesmerizing ballet that's been invisible to us. Until now. Let's dive into some truly mind-blowing science. For centuries, scientists have dreamed of peering deeper and deeper into the fabric of matter, hoping to unlock the secrets that govern our universe at the smallest scales. Now that dream is becoming reality. Scientists have just smashed the boundaries of what we thought was possible, opening a new window into the atomic world. They've built a microscope that can see light with 1 nanometer precision, an achievement that was once thought to be pure science fiction. To put that into perspective, a nanometer is a billionth of a meter. That's so small it's almost impossible to imagine. If you took a single meter and divided it into a billion equal parts, each part would be a nanometer. To help you visualize just how tiny that is, consider this. The width of a human hair is about 100,000 nanometers. So this new microscope can measure things that are 100,000 times thinner than a strand of your hair. Imagine trying to measure something so small, it makes even the thinnest objects we know look gigantic by comparison. This is the scale where atoms themselves become visible, and where the rules of physics start to get weird. For decades, traditional optical microscopes have been our window into the microscopic world, but they hit a hard limit. They simply can't see anything smaller than the wavelength of visible light, which is about 400 to 700 nanometers. That means anything smaller than that, like individual atoms or the spaces between them, remains hidden, no matter how powerful the lens. But this new technology changes everything. It's not just an upgrade, it's a revolution in how we observe the universe at its most fundamental level. It's like giving microscopes X-ray vision, allowing them to peer straight through the barriers that once blocked our view. Suddenly, the invisible becomes visible, and the impossible becomes possible. Instead of just looking at how light bounces off objects, this microscope measures the intricate ways that light and electrons interact right at the atomic level. It's a bit like listening to the whispers of atoms as they communicate with light. Think about watching ripples in a pond after you toss in a stone. The ripples spread out, revealing the hidden patterns of the water's surface. Now, imagine the pond is an atom, and the ripples are made of light itself. This new microscope lets us see those ripples, revealing the secret choreography of light and matter at the smallest scales. Why does this matter? Because for the first time we can actually watch how light moves through matter, how it bends, twists, and interacts with the very fabric of reality. This isn't just a scientific curiosity, it's a game changer for technology, medicine, and our understanding of the universe. Imagine quantum computers that are faster and more powerful than anything we've ever built, thanks to our new ability to see and control light at the atomic scale. Picture medical imaging so sharp, doctors could spot diseases at their earliest, most treatable stages. Or think about materials engineered atom by atom, with properties we can only dream of today, super strong, ultra-light, or able to conduct electricity with zero resistance. This technology could help us build the next generation of electronics, energy systems, and even medicines, all by giving us the power to manipulate matter at the most fundamental level. Scientists are calling this a new era in microscopy, a leap forward as significant as the invention of the telescope or the discovery of DNA. It's a moment that will be remembered as the dawn of atomic vision. It's like humanity just got its own superpower, the power to see the invisible, to explore realms that were once the stuff of imagination and science fiction. If you love science that blows your mind, hit subscribe, because the journey into the invisible world is just beginning, and you won't want to miss what comes next. The future of discovery is unfolding before our eyes, and together we're about to witness wonders that will redefine what it means to see. Stay curious, because this is just the beginning.